Hey guys, so another video from Port Royal. We're at the Port Royal cruise ship terminal. Before COVID started, this was a major project. But because of COVID, they had only one cruise ship arrival, which I covered on the channel. I'm going to put the links for that in the comments when the first cruise ship arrived at this Port Royal cruise ship terminal after many years. So I'll put that link. But since COVID, they have continued work on this facility. It's not yet complete, but they have continued work. And then because of cruise ship restriction, there hasn't been any more cruise ship arrival as yet. But today's really a drone video, so I'm gonna set up the drone so you guys can see some aerial shots of the facility and the cruise ship terminal. So you guys stay tuned for that. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe and share as well. So the rain came down, so we just did the drone video of the Port Royal cruise ship terminal. We wanted to do a drone video of the Port Royal town as well, just to show it from an eagle eye view, but the rain came down. You would have probably seen the video uploaded yesterday, which is the Fort Rocky, from a drone view, from an eagle eye view. And then this is the second video in Port Royal, which is the Port Royal cruise ship terminal. So we'll come back another time to do the drone video of the Port Royal town. Yeah, so thank you guys for all the support. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and stay tuned now for the drone view of this Port Royal cruise ship terminal.